Do you have a passion for fashion? Are you always getting compliments on your style? If so, you can turn your love for fashion into a profitable online business. With online personal shopping and styling services, you can help clients look and feel their best without ever leaving your home. Your clients will visit your website, fill out a survey, and provide information about their style preferences, budget, and sizes. You'll use this information to create personalized outfits and shopping lists, then send them directly to your clients. Your clients will receive their new clothes, try them on, and provide feedback to you. And the best part? You'll get paid to shop and help others feel confident in their clothing choices. So if you have an eye for fashion and want to make money online, consider starting your own personal shopping and styling service today.